In today's fast-paced business environment, the demand for efficient productivity tools is higher than ever. We often find ourselves juggling multiple tasks simultaneously, from crafting presentations to crunching complex data sets, all while keeping up with the ever-increasing workload. But what if I told you that there's a solution that can not only simplify your workflow, but also propel your business forward through cutting-edge AI technology? The Dell Pro Tower Plus QBT1250 Business Desktop is here to revolutionize your workplace. Boasting an Intel Core Ultra 5 to 235 processor, a game-changer that brings AI-powered business efficiency within reach. But before we dive into the features and benefits, let's talk about the pain points this product addresses. Are you tired of manual spreadsheet updates, tedious meeting minutes, and endless video editing sessions? If yes, then you're not alone. The traditional business computing landscape has struggled to keep pace with the rapid advancements in AI, leaving entrepreneurs like you searching for a more efficient, more intelligent solution. This is where the Dell Pro Tower Plus QBT1250 comes in, a cutting-edge business desktop engineered to accelerate your productivity and catapult your business forward. Let's take a closer look at this sleek, powerful machine. At first glance, you'll notice its compact and robust design, expertly crafted to fit seamlessly into any workspace. The exterior is built to last, with a sturdy metal casing and a thoughtful layout that makes it a breeze to set up and maintain. Upon closer inspection, the build quality reveals itself to be top-notch, with precision-crafted components that exude a sense of engineering excellence. From the high-quality keyboard and mouse to the spacious, cable-friendly interior, every detail suggests a dedication to quality and usability. But what truly sets the Dell Pro Tower Plus QBT1250 apart is its host of innovative features, carefully designed to supercharge your workflow. One of the standout features is its AI-powered processor, a dedicated NPU that unlocks new levels of efficiency in everything from background blurring to real-time data analysis. With this technology at the helm, you can expect breathtaking performance and faster-than-ever turnaround times, all while minimizing manual labor and boosting accuracy. Another key feature is the Copilot AI Assistant, an intuitive, AI-driven tool that helps streamline your workflow and automate repetitive tasks. Windows Copilot uses machine learning to anticipate your needs, making it easy to draft emails, create presentations, and even edit complex documents, all with the power of AI at your fingertips. In addition to this cutting-edge AI technology, the Dell Pro Tower Plus QBT1250 also boasts an impressive array of storage and connectivity options. A generous 1 terabyte PCIe SSD delivers rapid loading times and efficient data access, while 3 4K display ports support seamless multi-monitor setups, perfect for teams that rely on collaboration and display-intensive applications. We put this beast through its paces, putting it through the ringer with demanding tasks like data analysis, video editing, and 3D modeling. The results were nothing short of spectacular. The Dell Pro Tower Plus QBT1250 delivered seamless performance at every turn, even under heavy loads. But as with any product, there are pros and cons to consider. One drawback is the relatively high price point, which may be a barrier for some small businesses or entrepreneurs looking to break into the market. However, when you weigh this against the immense productivity and efficiency gains offered, the value proposition becomes crystal clear. When it comes to comparisons, the Dell Pro Tower Plus QBT1250 stands head and shoulders above the competition. Its AI-powered processor, dedicated NPU, and impressive storage configuration make it an unbeatable powerhouse of productivity. That being said, for those who require even more customization options or advanced features, other desktops may merit consideration. In conclusion, the Dell Pro Tower Plus QBT1250 is a revolutionary business desktop engineered to redefine productivity and propel your business forward through cutting-edge AI technology. With its compact, powerful design, impressive feature set, and unparalleled efficiency, this machine is a game-changer for entrepreneurs and teams alike. If you're serious about catapulting your business to the next level, Look no further. Get ready to experience the power of AI-driven computing and say goodbye to tedious manual work. Visit Dell.com or your local reseller today to discover the limitless possibilities awaiting your team with the Dell Pro Tower Plus QBT1250 Business Desktop.